In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find Mirage Island on Blox Fruits solo. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the best ways to help you find the Mirage Island if you are playing solo. Now, of course, doing this with friends can be really helpful because each of you can look for the Mirage Island on your own, and then once one of you finds it, you can just communicate. But it is entirely possible to do this grind solo. So first, what you can do is eat a portal fruit and a fast boat game pass. This is going to be optional, but it is going to speed up because having a fast boat means that you can search more of the sea in a smaller amount of time. Remember to skip all sea events. So stay at danger level 4 or 5 and skip sea events. If you stop for every single one, it is going to waste a lot of time. So this is going to be the most crucial thing. And like I said before, try to aim to stay at danger level 4 to 5. It is going to be manageable while still giving you the chance of spawning the Mirage Island. The fast boat can help you skip all events except Terror Shark, and that's where you can use your Portal V skill. So when you get out of the rift, the Terror Shark will despawn. You can use the Portal V trick on all sea events, including Rough Sea. With these tricks, you will be able to spawn more sea events in a short amount of time because you will be traveling very fast around the sea and without having to fight them. Eventually, you will get the Mirage Island to spawn. I recommend trying for about 15 minutes on each server, and if you notice that it is still not spawning, you can consider switching servers and then repeating all these steps. So stay at danger level 4 or 5, consider acquiring a fast boat, and skip all sea events. This is very important. I hope I was able to help you on how to find Mirage Island Blox Fruit solo. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.